So in today's video, we are going to see how to achieve this pastel mint eyeshadow look. Hey guys, I'm Rushali Soni and you are watching me on Femina.in. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For the first step, I'm going to use the silicone based primer and applying it all over my face to create the smooth surface. Following it with the matte foundation since I have oily skin type and dabbing the foundation into my skin. Now I am applying my concealer under my dark circles or wherever I have some pigmentation, blemishes and acne scars. Also don't forget to apply a little bit amount of concealer onto your eyelids because we have some pigmentation there as well. Now taking my loose powder and dabbing it into my under eyes. Now let's talk about the brows. So brows can frame your face very well, so you might want to give a little bit more time to that. In today's video for today's look, I want my brows to look very natural but perfectly filled in. So what I'm doing here, I'm filling my brows first then brushing it to make it look very neat. Now the eyeshadow game will begin. So first things first, as a base, I'm going to take the mint green shade and apply it to create the smooth transition shade. Now pastel eyeshadows, particularly the one I am using, are very dusty and they have huge amount of fallout, so I have to be very careful while applying it. Now taking the pressed glitter eyeshadow and applying it halfway onto the lid, again building it up slowly. Now this is probably my favorite part because the wing eyeliner will change the entire look. Now I'm applying the same minty green eyeshadow into my inner corners, applying some mascara to make my eyes look more open and awake. Now applying the false eyelashes. If someone wants to avoid this step, you definitely can, but I like to put a little bit of drama into my makeup, so yeah. And adding some bronzer and blush my nose because why not. And here you go, the pinky nude lip. The classic nude lip can never go wrong and it will complement this eye look even more. And highlighter. Highlighter can never be enough for me. As you can see, I love that glow. Yeah, boom, that glow. So guys, if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.